Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will walk you through a basic anatomy of an HTML element. What is an HTML element? An element is part of a web page. An element may contain a data item, text, or an image, and can also be empty. An element usually consists of an opening and closing tag. An element with no content is referred to as an empty element and does not have a closing tag. Let's take a look at a basic illustration of the anatomy of a HTML element. So this is a basic illustration of an HTML element with several parts. So the HTML element basically consists of an opening tag, which is this P here. In this case, a P is a paragraph tag. This P here is what you use to insert a paragraph in a HTML document or a web page. So this is the opening tag, which is where the paragraph begins, and this is the closing tag. The closing tag is differentiated with the / before the actual tag is closed. And the actual element, which is the P, which stands for paragraph, is enclosed in angle brackets. So we've got the left angle brackets and the right angle brackets. And the content between the paragraph tag, the beginning of the opening tag to the end, is what is called the content. So this area here is referred to as the content, while the element is the beginning to the start. So from the opening tag all the way to the closing tag is what is referred to as the element. So the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. So anything from here all the way to the closing tag is referred to as the element. Notice the key difference between the content and the element. So this area here is what is the content, while anything from the opening tag to the closing tag is referred to as the element.